Learn English through a moral stories in English about the happiest man. There once lived a man named Oliver in a small village nestled between rolling hills. He was known far and wide as the happiest man in the village. His joy was infectious, and people often wondered about the secret behind his perpetual happiness. Oliver wasn't a wealthy man, nor did he hold a position of power. He lived a simple life, working in his small garden, tending to his modest home, and spending time with his family. What set him apart was his perspective on life. He found happiness in the simplest of things. To him, the sunrise was a daily marvel, the chirping of birds a symphony, and the laughter of children a melody that filled his heart. He greeted everyone with a warm smile and a kind word, spreading joy wherever he went. One day, a traveler passing through the village heard about the happiest man and sought out Oliver. The traveler found him in his garden, humming a tune while tending to his plants. "Excuse me, sir," the traveler said, "I've heard you're the happiest man in this village. What is your secret?" Oliver looked up with a smile and welcomed the traveler. "Ah, my friend, it's no secret at all. Happiness, to me, is appreciating the beauty in every moment, finding contentment in what I have, and spreading kindness wherever I can." The traveler was intrigued and asked, "But don't you face challenges or sadness like everyone else?" "Of course," Oliver replied. "Life brings its share of challenges, but I've learned to embrace them as opportunities for growth. I focus on what I can control, accept what I cannot change, and cherish the blessings around me." The traveler pondered Oliver's words, realizing that true happiness wasn't about having everything one desires, but about finding joy in the present moment and being grateful for the small things that often go unnoticed. Before leaving, the traveler thanked Oliver for the invaluable lesson and asked, "Is there anything I can do for you in return?" Oliver simply smiled and said, "Spread happiness, my friend. Share kindness, appreciate the beauty around you, and find joy in the simplest moments. That, to me, is the greatest gift." As the traveler continued on his journey, he carried with him not just the memory of meeting the happiest man, but also the wisdom that true happiness stems from gratitude, kindness, and a perspective that sees beauty in every moment. And Oliver, in his garden, continued to spread joy with his warm smile, living each day as the happiest man in the village, a beacon of inspiration for those who crossed his path.